With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says that as compared to the whole body, the head of an adult human being is how much? So here we see that the newborn's head is very large in proportion to the body and the cranium is enormous relative to his or her face. So that means in a case of a newborn baby, the head is quite large as compared to the body. And if we see, this is approximately 1/4 of the body. So it is that large. So there is disproportion which is seen in the newborn. Now, normal head circumference for a full term infant is 33 to 36 centimeter at the time of birth. So at birth, many regions of the newborn skull have not been converted into bone, thereby leaving certain areas which are called as the soft areas. That means the sutures are there, but they are not fused to each other. Now, these soft spots on the skull are called as fontanelles, right? So, it undergoes many changes. Due to this, the adult human skull becomes approximately 1/7 of the total body weight, body length, right? So, here option number 3 becomes the right answer for this question, whereas the other options, these are the wrong ones. So, we can mark option 3 as the correct answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.